Welcome to Saas Bahu and Auntie Eve.
This is a podcast for every girl who's thinking of getting married.
And every woman जिसकी शादी हो चुकी है and needs a place to vent unfiltered and खुलेआम like me.
I'm 26 years old and getting married this year. So, of course, I have thoughts on everything shadi related.
And I'm 40 years old, been married almost 11 years now, and I have answers to all your shadi related problems. So today's episode is actually something that both of us have discussed offline, and we've sort of come to the conclusion that bade damads and unki badi egos are a huge problem, especially when you're getting married
For sure.
and when these damads become foofas.
Yeah.
Because foofa bhi to kabhi damad tha.
True.
Yeah. So, there are so many things you hear, like it's become so common, and it has been so common that there is an entire genre of memes just for
Yeah.
Fufaji.
Just for fufajis and
Yeah.
weddings.
Yeah.
There is nobody else.
Nobody else.
Attached with wedding things. It's just fufas.
Yeah. And
रूठे हुए वो फूफा.
universally negative experiences.
Of course. Memes बन
Yeah.
रहे तो negative.
Universally. I have not heard even in real life one good story about a
Yeah.
well-behaved Fufa at a wedding.
I 100% agree.
Right?
It's so funny, but it's true.
Yeah, it is very true. और end of the day उनकी वो दामाद वाली ईगो है which is at play.
वही आती है, I think.
हाँ?
And I feel like we've had these discussions at home also.
Yeah.
And every time someone just looks away or has a problem कि ऐसा नहीं है, तुम generalize क्यों कर रहे हो, तो मेरा रिएक्शन यही होता है कि फिर आप मुझे ये बताओ कि ये यूनिवर्सल प्रॉब्लम कैसे है.
Exactly.
अगर ये सिर्फ मैं अपने केस पे बोलती या कोई और अपने केस पे बोल रहा होता तो फिर सब मजाक क्यों उड़ा रहे हो उस चीज का. उस चीज को एग्जिस्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
For it to be so normalized in front of everybody.
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, I had such a ridiculous Fufaji experience. Not my own, because my Fufas are very disconnected from the family. So,
Yeah.
या तो I think उनको शुरू में कभी भाव नहीं मिला तो वो ऐसे थोड़ी दूर ही हो गए.
Yeah.
या तो they've just like it's just happened over time or something. I don't know. I've always been at a distance from them. So, at my wedding, this my father-in-law told me. Much after the wedding had happened, like this wasn't even soon after or something. He told me, I think a couple of years later, that something like this had happened. So we are an interfaith couple.
Yeah.
So my husband is Hindu, I'm not. And this, very randomly, when the Bharat was going to leave their house, suddenly, a guy, and I say a guy because I don't even know his name, I don't even know his face. I have never met him before or after the wedding. And it's been 11 years since. I have not met this man. I honestly can't even say for sure whether he's still alive.
The emphasis on the not knowing him part is just so nice.
Yeah, because it was just like I still can't get over the audacity of this guy,
Yeah.
okay? So he, just as the Bharat was leaving, and of course the Bharat was late, as it always is, वो apparently फैल गया ड्राइंग रूम में कि बारात ऐसे नहीं जा सकती. मुझसे तो किसी ने पूछा ही नहीं, आपने ये इंटरकास्ट शादी कैसे कर दी बिना घर के बड़ों से पूछे.
What?
Yeah. And my father-in-law was just like, ये क्या हुआ? Like, today is the wedding day. ऐसा तो नहीं था कि ऐसे आपको सडनली बुलाया 24 घंटे का नोटिस देके.
लेट हो गई तो उनको लगा चलो मेरे पास टाइम है.
टाइम है मेरे पास, बेसिकली थोड़ा फैलते हैं.
Yeah.
So he started creating a scene. At this point, imagine the Bharat was this close to leaving that my husband was already downstairs. He was ready to leave. And this man has decided कि मैं अब कलेश करूँगा. This is the time. So वो फैल गया कि भाई घर के बड़ों से पूछा नहीं और आपने इंटरकास्ट शादी कर दी. इंटरफेथ इंटरकास्ट के बीच में तो इनको एक तो डिफरेंस नहीं समझ आता. सो एवरीथिंग इज इंटरकास्ट. तो इंटरकास्ट आपने शादी कर दी, किसी को पूछा नहीं, सलाह नहीं ली. हमें भी तो पता होना चाहिए कि लड़की के घर वाले क्या करते हैं, कैसे लोग हैं, ये वो. एंड माई फादर इन लॉ जस्ट टोल्ड हिम, मेरे बेटे की शादी है, मुझे सब कुछ पता है, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपको क्या इशू है? And of course he didn't have an answer to this.
Of course.
And they were ready to leave him behind also, कि you are literally the most insignificant person in this whole wedding party.
मत आओ.
मत आओ, घर जाओ यहाँ से. He wasn't involved in any ritual. He was
Yeah.
not a part of, कि चलो मामाज का रोल होता है तो he is
Yeah.
important, or something like that. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था इनका, कोई ऐसा रोल नहीं था in the rituals that they were following. बट बस इम्पोर्टेंस दिखानी थी और फिर धरती पे ले आए उनको कि आप किस वजह से फैल रहे हो. एंड द गाय आई डोंट नो इफ ही वाज एट द वेडिंग आल्सो, बिकॉज द वे माय फादर इन लॉ नरेटेड इट, आई वाज इन शॉक एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक व्हाट, हाउ डिड नो वन टेल मी अबाउट दिस? देन ही टोल्ड मी बिकॉज इट वाजंट इम्पोर्टेंट. Why would we tell you this? That this is
I तो would love to know such things.
Same.
Not at the wedding day, but हाँ अगले दिन मुझे बैठ के सब बिठाओ और बताओ. This
हाँ,
should be
कि
the
क्या
next day.
हुआ?
क्या हुआ? What did I miss? What Fufa got angry?
honestly, I feel more than the मुंह दिखाई रस्म and all of that, this is
Yeah.
more important.
This should be a rasam. I completely agree. कुछ एक ऐसी रस्म का I don't know, some nice name there should be.
Yeah.
Where you just sit down.
Backstage
with the,
barat.
Backstage barat. Yeah. You sit down with the bride and the groom and you tell them the entirety of what happened when they were not, of course.
Yeah, actually. So this was one of the things, at least the funny things that happened regarding a Fufa ji at my wedding. पर ऐसे बहुत देखे हैं मैंने.
Yeah, funny. I mean, of course, we're laughing about it now.
Yeah.
But imagine, let's say your husband was present where he was, and this happens in front of your husband.
Yeah.
आपकी तो मैं बात ही नहीं कर रही because आपकी साइड की फैमिली से हुआ नहीं,
हाँ.
but उनके साइड आपके हस्बैंड वहाँ प्रेजेंट होते हैं while he's about to get married.
Imagine.
The mental trauma of a family member, how insignificant doesn't matter, but in
Yeah.
that moment you're about to step into a new life.
Yeah.
यहाँ तुम्हारे दोस्त खुश हैं, your family is dancing, and imagine
Yeah.
like a Bollywood movie, it looks good in a Bollywood movie
Yeah.
because it gives you drama and masala.
Of course.
But when it happens to your own life, वो मसाला नहीं होता, वो उस टाइम पे इतना ज़्यादा, because then you think of everything कि ओ इफ वी से समथिंग बैड व्हाट, बात तो उनकी गलत है, बट अगर मैंने कुछ गलत जवाब में दे दिया तो क्या मेरे बाकी रिलेटिव्स क्या सोचेंगे? हाउ डू आई डील विद दिस मैटर नाउ?
And it's such a like sensitive time with stress also. No? Anything can stress you out.
Anything can stress you out. Just a broken Varmala can stress you out so
Yeah,
much.
yeah.
Imagine a family member just getting up and saying,
ये शादी नहीं हो
ये
सकती."
शादी नहीं हो सकती. I mean, it's the last thing you would want to happen,
हाँ.
at a wedding.
I know.
शादी नहीं होगी. मुझसे तो पूछा ही नहीं आपने, तो शादी नहीं होगी. I mean, it's just so bad. And I feel like you said, same with me also. I feel like I've been blessed with, and which is बहुत ही weird thing for me to say, but I've been blessed with really good Fufajis. Like I have a lot.
कहाँ मिले आपको ये
पता
फूफा?
नहीं भाई. And imagine I have a lot because I have 5 boas. Real. Like my 5 real boas I have.
Oh wow.
And of course adjacent 5 fufas, and but I haven't met of course 2 of them because they passed away before
अच्छा.
I was ever in the picture. But I've known 3, and all 3 of them are pretty chill like that.
Wow.
Of course they come from different sides of families and they have different things, but वो वैसे बड़े chill है. वो उनके साथ हम बैठ के फूफा जोक्स क्रैक करते हैं,
हाँ.
बट वो भी बहुत cognizant है कि ये सच है बातें.
हाँ.
And I think because they're so cognizant, they sort of tried not to be that.
Yeah.
But they're cognizant that they're true because
Yeah.
they do laugh about it. And
Yeah.
once in a while, when they do come up with something that is relatively close to them being like a typical
Yeah.
फूफा, तो हम we can call them out also and then say कि क्या हो गया?
इतना
तो-
फूफा मत बनो.
हाँ, इतना फूफा मत बनो. And it's so funny because like with my own father, he would never agree to these things because buas के मामले में of course your fathers are like a little emotional.
Yeah.
मेरी बहन, मेरा जीजा, blah blah blah. So there was a wedding at my mom's side. And now suddenly, of course, for the first time, my dad is the fufa at the
Oh,
wedding.
no.
ठीक है. And we were all sitting, ठीक है. And I just realized this, and we were planning the wedding. And we're all a very chill family, and we're just sitting and planning. And I'm just like, okay, wait, who can be the problem makers for this wedding? You.
Your own father?
You are the fufa. Now you will be the problem person, and you'll be like, and he was actually saying things, because we were all saying something, and he was saying, नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता, इसको ऐसे करना चाहिए. Now in that moment, this was a normal discussion of a family, but when you put a name to it,
Yeah.
that the fufa is saying something
Yes.
against to everybody, and I was just like, oh, you're being a fufa. And then suddenly he was just so embarrassed. He was like, नहीं मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था, मैं तो बस ये कर था कि ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. And now it's such a nice thing to just put someone in their place.
Yeah.
Because it's like, wait, hold up, then you'll be called the problematic person here. So I
Yeah.
feel like it's a nice way to
I mean, that you can at least say to people who you know will take it well.
take it well. Yeah, that's
But-
what I'm saying. I've been blessed. I don't think that's the case.
Yeah.
Please, viewers, discretion. अपने
Yeah,
फूफास
yeah.
के पास जाके मत कर देना. ये कोशिश
हाँ.
भी मत करना कि
ऐसे
"ओह,
जाके don't start calling them out
Yeah.
कि आप तो बड़े फूफा जी हो.
हाँ, मत करना please.
Yeah.
But I think this stems from like what you said.
हाँ.
फूफास भी कभी दामाद थे.
हाँ.
I think this energy comes just from that energy. There is
Entirely.
of course no fufa energy in general.
Yeah.
उनकी कोई significance, like you said, I don't think फूफास की कोई significance होती है
No,
किसी
not
की
really.
शादी पे, कभी भी नहीं होती है. But it comes from the fact that they were the damads and they were always treated that certain way.
Especially the bada damad of the
Bada
house.
damad of the house.
Yeah.
It's, I don't know what that is about.
You know, I've also seen that even if the bada damad is not given any importance as such कि चलो आप बड़े दामाद हो whatever, वो assume कर लेते हैं importance कि मैं तो बड़ा हूँ.
I think maybe because they were first, ये first come serve वाला उनके दिमाग में क्यों concept है कि मैं पहले आया था, तो maybe there is a little more
I guess.
for me. I don't
Yeah,
know.
I guess that is what the thinking is at that point.
And that's very prominent. I've seen it happening in so many families where, let's say, a girl is getting married or something's happening, and then the jija,
Yeah.
the damad of the house, has a problem.
Yeah.
Why wasn't I asked for it?
Yeah.
Why wasn't this discussed with me? And I'm just like, you had your time.
Hmm.
You had your wedding, and then you didn't want so many people to be involved in it because you felt like this was your wedding. Now, suddenly, when the tables have turned and you have become on the other
Yeah.
side, you want to be the one that has the final call, the final say. Why? It's not your wedding, right?
Like, why, like you said, yeah, कि it's not your wedding. Why should you be involved in all of this? Why should you be the focus of anything? इतना देखा है मैंने फैमिलीज में कि जैसे ही कोई बात आती है शादी की एंड पीपल आर लाइक यू नो हैप्पीली डिस्कसिंग wedding prep and things like that, suddenly if the damad even says something, it might be completely, you know, in tune with what you're saying. He might just have like a slightly louder opinion, completely in agreement with
Yeah.
also what you're saying. Suddenly ना लोग थोड़े सहम जाते हैं कि ओ इनको भी तो देखना है,
Oh, yeah,
इनको भी तो पूछना है कि, you know, and then it becomes like a thing कि oh, what do you think about this? Even if the guy has not said anything even once, but that energy is such
Yeah.
that it just, you know, and then वो उसको थोड़ा ईगो को थोड़ा फीड करो तो
Then
बस
it's never ending.
बस फिर उसके आगे then देखते जाओ.
I was at a cousin's wedding, like during the preparations, and she, of course, had a elder sister who had been married. So, you know, there were discussions in the house that this has to be done for you, for the girl. This is to be given to you. तेरे लिए हमें ये लेकर आना है, which is natural. करती हैं Indian families में ये चीज़ें लानी है, या तेरे ससुराल वालों को हम ये gifts देंगे, whatever. And suddenly I saw the mom in panic in a second, without no mention, and she was just like, okay, wait. And we were all like, what happened? She must have missed someone out from the girl who's supposed to get married. But no, she missed out the elder sister's husband and the family. She was like, oh, हमने ये तो सोचा ही नहीं. Because of course there are budgets in these families,
Yeah.
right? Everything is budgeted to the last penny. So she was just like, oh shit, now we have to cut down something from the one who's getting married. Because
accommodate
to
the-
accommodate the
yeah.
ससुराल and the दामाद बड़े दामाद का घर. And I was just sitting there and I was like, they had, like you
Their
did
day.
their day. You've done all of this
Yeah.
for them once. Why are you cutting down on the other person's whatever
Yeah,
day is?
yeah.
जो सही है गलत है, I'm not getting into that. But whatever you're doing, why are you cutting down on that to accommodate the one that has gone before? That's
Yeah.
in this way you somehow put the younger one, of course, at a disadvantage.
Yeah, always.
Always, because then you're always cutting down on their needs, their requirements,
Yeah.
because you're fulfilling the elder ones.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's really, I don't know, I feel like it's
Yeah, it is a problem, and it's not just in terms of like कि उनको क्या क्या देना है, or you know, like how to accommodate them in all of the wedding prep. It's also like even the bigger decisions. Like in one of my with one of my friends, she was getting married to a non-Hindu. She came from a Hindu family. And her brother-in-law, her elder sister's husband, he didn't say anything throughout. For him, it was like a big party and all of that. तो
Yeah.
वो party करे जा रहा था, उसके भी friends को बुला लिया. He was very happy. And he was, like, he was acting normal. He was, in fact, like a little too overjoyed during the wedding. And he
Yeah.
was acting as if, ki, oh, now I've got like a buddy in the family, my drinking buddy, my this
friend.
buddy, yeah, this, whatever, my new bestie. But soon after that, I think maybe like a couple of months or so after that, they had some sort of family occasion
After the wedding.
after the wedding. And a very like normal family occasion, like किसी का birthday था, and everybody was getting together. This man suddenly threw a fit कि ये सब तो हो गया, but I know for a fact that your family, pointing at his wife, the elder sister, I know your family is not happy about this marriage. I am also not happy about it. So there's no reason to invite him to my house. Yeah. So he's not welcome to my house. And as long as she's married to him, she's not welcome either. And these are just two sisters, by the way. No
तो
like
क्या वो
horde
he's
of
saying
siblings.
कि divorce करवाओ और फिर वो मेरे घर
हाँ.
आए? What?
कि as long as she's married to him, she is not welcome in my house
Pathetic.
because she is a bad influence on my children because of the fact that she is married outside of her religion. And that girl didn't know what to like, how to react. She was, thankfully, her parents were on her side and they said, you know what? Forget about cutting them off. We are cutting you off.
Yeah, we're also not coming.
हाँ, we are also not coming. तो then it became, again, सबने अपना अपना point तो रख दिया. पिसी कौन? उसकी बहन. Because she was the one like कि, okay, now how am I supposed to reconcile between my husband and my parents and my sister? Like, how is this going to happen? And I know that now things are better. They've somehow, I don't know how they sorted it out. They talked through it or something
Yeah.
like that. And it took years.
It will. मैं तो अभी भी आपको ये बोलने वाली थी. I don't know how you can sort that out.
It took years of them fighting about it as husband wife, years of him throwing drunken fits and being told off by people, the same people who he said that, oh, they are not happy with the wedding and neither am I, same people told him off that, who are you to talk about what we have to say? We haven't said anything. अगर हम खुश नहीं होते तो हम बोल देते कुछ ना कुछ. तो why are you getting into it? So eventually when he started getting cut off from the family, from everybody individually, and his own parents then, this happened soon after only, his own parents told him that, look, we cannot support this. If you want, you can, you guys can get divorced if you want, because we are not going to support the fact that you want to break apart two sisters and you want to, on the grounds of something like this, ki how can she marry outside of her religion? So, and they told him also, this my friend told me that they told him that, you know what, this is not your child, not your sister. This is not your call at all. The parents are fine with it. She's fine with it. Everybody else in the family is fine with it. What is your problem? And if you're going to be like this about it, then we also can't support it. She is free to leave. We will look after the children. And she can stay with us or she can stay with her parents, anything. It became a huge issue for them in their own marriage also.
Imagine. This is so bad.
Imagine, like ruining your own family life over your sister-in-law's marriage.
And I'm pretty sure, like you said, that he was fine during the entire wedding
Yeah.
festival. I think it would have been something very small that would have
I'm
triggered
sure.
his ego.
I'm sure.
Because that's how these things happen. They're never about the bigger things. They're about
No.
the small things कि पहला कॉल उसको किया मुझे इनवाइट करने के लिए या मुझे किया. It's the smaller things.
I think that's what it was, because they were hosting everybody in their house. And I think it was basically like he was getting, maybe like पहली बारी बुलाया होगा दोनों को after the wedding. तो of course her sister must be going overboard a little bit also.
Yeah.
कि मैं ये भी करूँगी वो भी करूँगी, like bring out the good cutlery and all of that. So that I feel must have pissed him off. कि ये मेरे लिए तो होता नहीं, उसके लिए क्यों हो रहा है?
भाई
अपने ही घर
कोई
में.
बहुत छोटी सी चीज
हाँ.
होगी. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Because that's what I've also noticed in situations that, in fact, yours story, mine though is completely opposite than yours. Because in my situation, the girl didn't get as much support. Like in your case, the girl got support, right?
Yeah.
and the damad was told to be.
Yeah, he was told off.
He was told off, but that's not the case in most families. I have seen families where the damad is very toxic. ठीक है, everybody is done with him. The
Yeah.
in-laws are done. The wife is done. Everybody is done.
Yeah.
But let's say suddenly he's pulled his shit together for a while. 1-2 times he's been fine. Okay. Suddenly the negative is gone. And
भूल जाते हैं ना।
भूल जाते हैं कि अरे अब वो कोशिश तो कर रहा है ना,
हाँ.
तो अब वापस से like in your case you said it took years.
Yeah.
In a day, forget
Wow.
whatever has happened in the past, forget whatever he said, forget the way he's treated, suddenly behave all normally and give him the same darza that you're supposed to give him. I'm all up for giving people respect. I like the traditional families that we have. I like ये मेरे बड़े जीजा हैं. I like whatever
हाँ.
the relations are. I like ठीक है, अगर है तो है यार, दे दो थोड़ी सी respect में, क्या चला जाएगा.
हाँ, of
But
course.
it cannot be in a day. It cannot be that अभी तक हम सब बैठ के डिस्कस करते थे कि कैसे we have to get away from this man. Suddenly 2 days he's acted all put together, and now we're discussing how he has to be the front man of all of the festivals that are happening at our house. How is that possible?
Yeah, that's not possible.
And I'm so happy about what you shared. Like, I'm so glad for that girl that, of course, the sister, the family supported and said that you are wrong.
Yeah.
Most cases में दमाद्स को, बड़े दमाद्स whatever को नहीं, वो एकदम से ऐसे होता है नहीं नहीं. Because I think in families it's always like उनको घर बचाना होता है, right?
Correct.
उनको लगता है हमारी लड़की का घर जैसे भी बच जाए, चल जाए, हम उसकी ईगो सेटिस्फाई कर देंगे, कोई बात नहीं. Which I feel like is just so sad, because at the end of the day it's not helping the girl that is with him, because she's also suffering because of your behavior. Because I feel like it doesn't help the girl also, right? The one who has to live
Yeah.
with him, because वो सरी चढ़ेगा और उसको लगेगा देखा तेरी फैमिली मुझे अभी भी सपोर्ट कर रही है. Because अगर वो एक तरीके से टॉक्सिक है तो वो दोनों तरीके से टॉक्सिक है. It's not possible for one person to be bad in one area. It has to be both, right? तो
I agree.
वो आपकी बेटी को ही घर पे डोमिनेट करेगा because of your behavior, ये बोल के कि your parents still support me, you are the problem.
So obviously I am right and
I am
you
right,
are wrong.
You are wrong. So it's
Yeah.
it's such a bad toxic.
Yeah. It's pretty much like how you deal with kids, right? If you
Yeah.
tell a kid that they're always
Good
right.
example.
Yeah, like if you tell a kid they're always right, no matter what they do, ऐसे अगर टॉय लेके आपके मुंह पे फेंक रहे हैं and you're just not doing anything about
Yeah.
it, you're not punishing them, not telling them off, the kid will think that this is right behavior.
They'll repeat it elsewhere also.
Yeah.
No, I agree. You're right. I mean, at the end of the day, all men are kids. So your example
Yeah.
to relate them with that is exactly correct.
Yeah, I mean, treat them like children, I guess.
And then
Discipline
you'll-
करना है तो अच्छी तरह करो.
On that note, are you getting married soon? Or have you been married for a while and need a place to vent?
DM us on Auntie Eve on Instagram. Link in bio.
Send us your stories and we'll figure something out.
We'll see you on the next episode of Saas Bahu and Auntie Eve with the next Kalesh. And remember, don't always be the good girl.
Or the good bahu.